meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. With you, it's such a sweet escape. So if we leave, will anybody notice? If you don't wanna play these games, just tell me what you need and we can go there. Only if for the weekend. I just stepped out with my friends. Don't tell me that you're leaving. Think I came at the right time. Do you know what's on my mind? Can you stay for the evening? It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little thing for you and I. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high and keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it.
What time is it when the party
In the darkness, collide in the night. I was heartless until my soul came to life. And I feel it now. Want this forever. And I feel it now. You make me shiver. And I feel it now. Want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Can you feel it now? Want this forever. And I feel it now. You make me shiver. And I feel it now. Want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. I'm longing, pull me closer to you. In this moment, we get lost in this room. And I feel it now. Want this forever. And I feel it now. You make me shiver. And I feel it now. Want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Can you feel it now? Can you feel it now? Want this forever. And I feel it now. You make me shiver.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, man? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, baby. Whatever you're doing, man, I hope you guys are doing it and you love it, man. Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? Welcome to TradeCaster.com, YouTube.com, guys. We are packing this Money Monday off with some heat, baby. We got a couple things to go over. Let's start reviewing it. Let's get into it, baby. Woo! All right, guys. So, we're going to change the memo up a little bit here on the good old music and stuff like that. So, give me 1 second as I do that. We're also going to crank it down a little bit for you. So, let's crank this music down a little bit for you. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, are all kicking it off, are all feeling great, guys. We're going to go over the number one thing we go over every single morning to get ready for the day, guys. And that is going to be your economic calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the week, baby. Guys, this week in specific, ladies and gentlemen, we have Monday. We don't have much other than, obviously, we have a couple Fed, we have a Fed president panel. Basically, 3 Fed presidents are going to be speaking on a panel together, right? Tuesday, we have PPI data, and then Wednesday, we have CPI, guys. I will be trading a Apex eval account all week until CPI. YB, how come? YB, why are you trading an eval account and not your funded or anything like that? Traders, I'm not willing to risk the funded on slow momentum. I know that this week can be slower due to the fact that we have CPI on Wednesday. So, I'm going to capitalize off of the opportunities at hand. But if there's no opportunities at hand, we'll just walk away on the day, okay? So, traders, don't feel forced to make any trades or do anything like that, all right? So, yeah, buddy. So, traders, man, traders, we are here, man. We are here. We are into it, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to grow an eval, I am doing this exclusively for TradeCaster YouTube members. Guys, this is the time to do it. Load yourself up one of these eval accounts. I'll link where you can get them. I'll link the code you can use, right? And then all you have to do is type this into the promo code tab in Apex Trader, 40 bucks. It's actually 37. It's cheaper. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys can follow along completely. Get funded, get paid out, guys. You guys can start taking payouts once you make your first $2,000. Actually, $2,600. But, yeah, buddy. All right. Then I'll link you guys to good old Apex here, man. You gotta love me some Apex, guys. So we're chilling out, man. We're gonna turn some different bops on. It's gonna be a little bit of a different feel. Gonna have a little bit more of a kickback, laid-back feel today, guys. I don't want to be, you know, with the energy and everything like that, man. We're not gonna force it. You know, we're not gonna force trades. We're not gonna force positions today. We're not gonna be doing any of that. All right, we're looking to chill out, have a great time. So yeah, buddy. So give me 1 second, all you YouTube members as well, and I'll get this link for you. There you guys go. There you guys go. And that should load you right up into it. Bada bing, bada boom. You guys are good to go. All right, traders. Let's turn off the little EDM music vibe here, man. Let's change it up. Like I said, though, man, 6 minutes till market open. Went over our economic calendar. I hope you guys are having a great day. Let's run it up, baby. Oh, Bitcoin back on the rise. Yeah, buddy. I love it. I love it, guys. Bitcoin coming back. Bitcoin on slow comeback.
All right. All right. All right.
All right, guys. We're getting a little bit of a vibe up in here. Don't worry about it, traders. Don't worry. I got you guys. Some of you guys are like, YB, what is this music? This is the vibe, all right? This is the 2024 music right here. All right, traders. So we are having a great day, man. I hope you guys are as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Like I said, we are taking evals Monday, Tuesday, and we are going to grind these sons of guns up. We're going to make these things hot, baby. So traders, we are chilling out, man. We are chilling out. All right, guys. So we do have CPI data coming Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to be cautious. Grab yourself an eval if you don't want to trade your funded. If you guys have a shit ton of wiggle room on your funded, you're good to go. If you guys have anything over $5,000 in wiggle room on your funded, dude, you guys are big chilling out. LJ saying, yeah, buddy. What's up, brother? All right, guys. What's up, bro? All right, guys. YB will be right back. Give me 1 second. I got to go take care of something really quick. Guys, so traders, I'm going to leave my charts up. I'm going to close down my webcam. If any of you guys in chat see anything, make sure to shout it out and alert it for all the rest of the traders in chat going into the open here. All right, so give me 1 second, guys. I'll BRB.
I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Yes, I'm spinning, double cup I'm leaning. Need you to lean in. She wanna come this way, heat it up microwave, heat it up microwave. She wanna ride my way, she wanna come this way, she wanna. Oh, it's how you feeling tonight. Oh, it's how you feeling tonight. I guess I'm too demanding. I guess I'll keep my candy. Try to tell you, but you know the thing is crazy. Just touched down in Miami. I guess I'll keep my candy. I guess I'm too demanding. She wanna ride my way. She wanna ride my train. Heat it up microwave. Come on, share my plate. She wanna ride my way. She wanna ride my chain. Heat it up microwave. Come and share my plate. I'm feeling stuck. I'm off a beat. What the fuck? I'm in the dreams. Holla up. What you need? Got it up.
Just wanna go dancing. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. In the end, door wide open. See it in slow motion. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. See you bust my open. Move it in slow motion. Well, I was really upset, but I got lost in love today. You was commitment ready, so I had to find a way. Even when I'm sad, you lift me up on the occasions. She just wanna go dancing. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. In the end, door wide open. See it in slow motion. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. See you bust my open. Move it in slow motion.
Only you, way they make me work all night. If I not your love, I need them one more time. Every night I day, I did tell true lies. Touching on your body, making you feel right. Hold you back and make you drop the draws, alright. Make I tell you things, we go bust your mind. As the rhythm drop, oh baby, bust so wild. Make I give you things that make you go all night.
Maybe work all night. Feeling about your love and I need one more time. Every night and day, I had to tell true love. Touching on your body, making you feel. She just wanna go dancing. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. In the end, door wide open. See it in slow motion. Baby, tell me what you're hoping. See you
Yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen, we are back and at it, guys. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the stream. Nothing too crazy. Hey, what's up, Charting Queen? What's up, y'all? I hope you're having a good day. Hope you guys all are. All right, guys, so we are chilling out. We have our pool back down to our 200-day and our view up area, down to our 200-day and our view up. Let's check out a couple more things before we punch in an entry here. 200, yeah, guys. It's not a terrible entry right about that area. It's a little bit too early for myself. I would love to see a breakout one way or another. I don't. Again, guys, we have CPI data coming Wednesday. If you guys are not able to execute on a trade, that is fine. Guys, today I expect to be some sort of chop and sideways range. Maybe from the high, basically pre-market high. You know, maybe down a little bit, but I don't expect much, guys. So I love that we're still following a little bit here. I might execute. Remember, I'm trading a eval this week up until CPI data. CPI data, I will be trading a funded account, and I will also grab myself another funded account. If you guys do not know about the house strategy, just ask about it. You know, send me a DM and stuff, and I'll for sure let you guys know a little bit about it and stuff. It's one of the #1 strategies I teach all my students as well. So love that we're respecting it. Volume is already under 50,000 a candle, but that's no big deal. Holy cow, bro. Volume is light. Oh, my. All right, guys. I'm thinking about making an entry right around here for another wick. Seeing if we're going to wick off this area. I have to wait, though. Going to have patience on the play. Yeah. I would love to see a dump and a fade and a crack down to our view ups. There we go. Down to our view ups. Just see what happens there, guys. I'm taking a look here on NQ overall as well. NQ overall, respecting that 200-day right there. NQ coming down to the view up. Same with S&P, getting down there a little bit more below it. And ES as well. Okay. We're right there on... I want to get an entry. I want to be able to catch, like, literally, like... Give me like 15 points, 300 bucks done on the day, bro. That's what I'm looking for, boys. 15 points, 300 bucks done. I'm done on this eval. Underneath 300 now. So now we're underneath 300. We're coming down to the view up here. Gotta just have patience. Gotta have patience, guys. Gotta have patience. I love the selling. I love this selling action right now, guys. If you guys were able to capitalize off this short, you guys are banking right now, man. I love to hear it. There we go. Getting a little bit of a bounce in this area, though. Starting to spike back up. Starting to pull back. Love it. Want to see us be able to hold back above 300 for an entry. I'll hold until about 315, guys. So above 300 for my entry. Hold till about 315. I want to see that there's some sort of structure there, so... Love that we're holding above here on ES as well. Love that we respected that view up. It has to hold, though. NQ overall, respecting its 200-day. There it goes. Getting back above 300 there, guys. Like I said, there's my entry area right around here, guys. We're going to test the waters on one NQ, one mini there. So, guys, like I said, looking for a pushback above here. Back up. We get a spike back up to at least 310, 311. Above that to 315 will be the close. So 315 is the take profit area. If it just rips above it, obviously do what you want. But I will be selling right around 315. So waiting and watching, seeing what we're going to get going on. If we can get above that 200, I know we're good to go. We're getting above some of these areas on NQ overall as well. So that's beautiful to see. So like I said, guys, above 300, looking for the push back above, up to 315. One NQ contract, mini, to the top side, waiting and watching, seeing if we can break back above here, pushing this market a little bit higher. We got that little slow music going on right now, eh? Got a little slow, low vibe going on, eh? So traders, we are chilling out, man. I hope you guys are as well. I hope you guys are having a great day, man. So we're waiting on that push here. It starts to come, guys. Above 311, up to 315 is the area of taking profit. Depends on where you are filled. NQ overall starting to take back off to the top side. I love it. Breaking the 50-day on 5-minute on NQ. Love that. Want to see it hold above now, though. Above this area. Start to get your takeoff and your breakout to the top side. Especially if SPY gets back up to that 200. 314 coming up into play. Like I said, 315, guys. That is the area. Why 315? Kind of, once again, it's 15 points if you got in at 300, right? Not only that, what is it? You kind of get more of a, you get a little bit of a better fill there as well. I love that NQ overall spiking, though, so you can kind of have that patience now. So we're going to put an exit at that area. We came right underneath it. We never hit it. You know what? I'm gonna measure it. I'm going to keep it in my mind, but I don't know if I'm going to take it immediately. Because I know that we could just spike up. You know, a little double bottom, start spiking, ripping, running, go back up to the high day or something, and then start taking off from there. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to be watching. You guys can take profit if you're in the green and stuff like that, 100%. Want to see NQ overall flip back to the green side here above 24. That'd be beautiful. So like SPY coming here. I want to see SPY hold these areas, start to bounce back up. So hopefully you guys all had a good mother. Any mothers in the chat, man? Happy Mother's Day to you guys. You guys don't know, man. Charting Queen, man. I see you out there. What was that, Birkin? Oh, man. Just trying to get one of them Birkin bags, yo. So shout out to Charting Queen. Working the magic, man. Gotta get close to the reps, 135%. I love it. I love to see it. Love to see it. All right, guys, we're getting a little bit more of a pullback here. So stop losses may come in depending on the areas we are in here. Yup. If we hold this area, I might even get a DCA down here if we hold up here. We have to hold up in this area, though, 1,000,000,000%. So NQ starting to fall a little bit more, guys. Holding very well, but... oh, damn. Like, look at the rest of these. Okay, touching the 200-day on the 5-minute now. Hold on, guys. Coming down to the 200-day. That is my stop loss at hand. Want to see these hold up where I might get another DCA dip buy. Next 5-minute just formed, guys. Want to see them hold up here. Going to see. If sellers are coming in, sellers are coming in. Nothing you can do about it. We'll get out of this. Have an exit on this position. Okay. So sellers now starting to come in underneath 50. I just know how these 200s hold, man. Get a nice big lower shadow here. Then you're able to get your entry. Yep. No point in it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, 630 on it. Remember, this is an eval. That's why I'm not, like, selling, bro. I would have been out a minute ago on a funded. I just know how these things reverse, man. I just know how that works, bro. Starting to come back up here, traders. I'm going to get another entry here. See if we can get a push back up above that 80 level, especially back up to 300. You'd then be in the green. You'd be good to go. My exit does have to be sooner than on 2 rather than on 1. So I am looking for some sort of, you know, bounce back up here, I'd say. Up to the 90s area. And if it gets back up to 90, you guys are good to go. You guys will be able to obviously get out of your play. If you guys also took profit on the last one, that is completely and utterly fine. You guys did the right thing 100%. So we are waiting and watching. We want to see it kind of bounce back up here a little bit. If not, YB will exit here. Yeah, we still got plenty of wiggle room. Want to see it come back up here. I know we're going to get a good DCA dip buy. It's just where. So there it goes. Starting to come back up. Want to see green, green, green. Come in here, traders. Want to see green, green, green. Come in there, traders. See green, green, green. Start to come in on the time and sales, traders. Start to push this market back up to the top side, ladies and gentlemen. Cannot hold for much longer. This is way underneath our 200 at this rate if it keeps going. Has to spike back up here, traders. You need to see this basically be a bottom, start to come back up on SPY, start to come back up on NQ overall, on S&P 500. All of these areas, this has to start to be a bottom area. And then we're going to start to U-shape, start coming back up, spiking, ripping, running, back up above 80 to the top side there. So you'll get filled all the way back to your 9-day EMA, which is up towards 90 right there. No lie. Yup, near 90. So you can get all the way back up there. Obviously, you got to watch out with the DCAs and stuff like that, man. Take it respectively and stuff. But 1,000,000,000%, I do like this play. If it can get back up there, I do think we can get a push back up and even a run up to some higher days, ladies and gentlemen. So beautiful, beautiful play here. I want to see this thing start to take off topside. Back up to the 9-day EMA on all these points is what I'm looking at, looking for. Got the 5 minute loaded up. 5 minute 200 is at 5:21:41. If we start right there, we're starting to get back up to it. Right up to it, now getting above it, traders. Now getting above that 5-day, the 5 minute, 5 minute 200, and we're starting to approach it on a lot of these different points. 284 on NQ. 251 on ES. 251.19. We are right there on all these points, traders. Starting to get our pullbacks above these areas is beautiful. Starting to hold above these points, guys. We are good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, you can start to get your nice pullbacks. Yeah, buddy. My entry is 52.111. Yo, Chewy with the perfect entry, yo. I love that. I love that these things are starting to take back off topside here. I want to see them collectively start to continue to push back up above our 9 days, above 90. Start to get your rip and running action back to the long side, top side here, traders. Beautiful, beautiful trade here, guys. Just waiting and watching, man. Now, obviously, if you guys were not able to hold out, you guys took your profit up here. That is amazing. That is 1,000,000% understandable, guys. So, yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen, let this thing start to come back up. Little bit of an upper shadow starting to come back down, guys. I might... I gotta have a stop loss in play, traders. I will not just hold it out. Even if it's on an eval, that's still not the best, trading. It doesn't matter if it's on an eval or not. I know that that's the reason. Obviously, I'm like, oh, I don't care. It's on an eval then. That's fine. But still, traders, you got to implement some sort of structure for you guys, and everything like that. So, yeah, I want to see it continue to hold this level. Beautiful. New 5-minute form. That was exactly what I was about to say. I want to see that next 5-minute form and it take back off to the long side above these 200s. If we get back up long side above these 200s, you're good to go. If it takes out the lower day on the rest of these 5 minutes, though, there's not really much I can do, guys. Yup, so I want to see it come up here. I truly do. Yup. Guys, had to exit on that position. Had to exit on it. Cannot continue to hold. Once again, traders, where's your stop loss on a EMA strategy? Where's your stop loss, guys? Okay, you're getting in here at 302, maybe 288. You know what I mean? Obviously, on an eval, I can have wiggle room, right? Obviously, I do have some wiggle room on it, and everything like that. So I don't really mind that much. It's really not that big of a deal to me on this one. But I let you guys know prior to this, hey guys, my entry, I am entering completely on an eval. So I do want you guys to know that it's gonna be a little bit more degeneracy, I'll say, with an eval rather than a funded, right? So I still have the same trading habits, still have the same trading mindset and everything like that. The market is just dumping, disrespecting all EMA points right now. But that's setting these EMAs up for, if this thing continues to sell off, maybe some more short entries back up here. So now I'm looking for a retracement back up here for my next short entry. Until then, I can't really do anything. I just got to chill out, wait and watch. And I'll probably take it with 2 minis to really bounce back off it. I know that's not always the smartest idea. Again, degeneracy may come in here today, boys. I'm not going to lie. So that was our next sell-off here. We could come back up here, man. I want to see these EMAs aligned just like SPY there. Beautiful. Yeah, so crazy. They did not hold up at all in ES or S&P, NQ. Crazy, crazy, craziness, man. So traders, man, are any of you guys trading those penny stocks? Any of you guys in on penny stocks, huh? Any of you guys doing any penny stock trades today with good old Decky? Good old Deckmar. Fucking going penny stock on us, man. He switched up. He went to the penny stock world over options. And guess what? That's his roots, though. That is his roots. So that's his bread and butter. Guys, more shorts incoming now. This is actually insane, bro. This is actually insane, bro. Guys, I'm looking at NQ overall, and this is mad, man. This is fucking nuts, bro. Like, will we get a retracement is the thing. Like, is that even in the picture, guys? I almost want to get a long entry down here for the retracement back up. Like, low-key, dude. Catch it from 262 contracts up to 280. 400 bucks, get out. It looks good here on NQ overall, but I mean, then again, bro. Shit, it just came up to the 9-day, touched 9-day, and dumped right back off. It was just crazy to me. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. DJT up another 5%, guys. DJT up another 5%, guys. Now up to $55 a share. Crazy. DJT is nutty, boys. Holy. Good entry for you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bro. No, 100%. I liked everything about it. I'm not against it. I like down here in the 60s. I love them. Yeah, Chewy, 100%. I'm with you. No, I definitely think that these 60 levels is not bad. It's just we have CPI data Wednesday. This market may pick a direction and just stick with it. But we got another lower shadow coming in. We kind of have lower shadow coming in. Looks like it might start to space out a little bit here. 5 minutes are getting their lower shadows as well. Microsoft leading the pack to the downside, but Tesla is ripping up. Apple could start bouncing back here, guys. Oh, yeah, we still got some wiggle room. Yeah, we're going to test the waters, guys. I could for sure see a spiking, ripping, and running here. Remember, on this eval account, I for sure could. Above this 9-day EMA is exactly what we're looking for, guys. I need it to hold up, push the 9-day. Buyers taking this market over. We are still pushing 100,000 a candle, which is which is great. We have our lower shadows coming into play right there. I want to see these things now start to spike up above these 9s. My sell is going to be the view up on S&P 500 up to 521.90 areas. That is the area in which I'm looking for. I want to stay disciplined. I want to stay true to my trading, but I have to wait for that thing to break up here. I would love to see this thing break topside now. Ladies and gentlemen, starting to come back up on us, guys. I want to see it get above 70 here, traders. If it gets above 70, gets above that 9-day EMA for sure there. Ladies and gentlemen, above 68. 68.45, get above that area there, ladies and gentlemen. Starting to spike up here, starting to get above. We can really start to get our rip and run up, guys. So that's what we're looking for now. There it goes, traders, starting to get rip and run up now. Ladies and gentlemen, you are now looking for this thing to start to take off on you guys. You are now looking on it to start to spike, rip, run, start to get that takeoff breakout. Want to see it hold above the 9-day EMA there, guys. It is starting to hold above. Ladies and gentlemen, you got tons of room to go now, traders. Tons of room to go now, traders. Want to see this thing get above 80 here. Want to see it go in. So tempted to buy 2 more here for the breakout all the way back up to the view up EMA areas. That's what I'm thinking about, traders. So I want to wait, watch. This thing's breaking 9-day EMA on so many different levels now, traders. That is beautiful. Continue to hold up here. Break this high here of 2154. Break above 2150 essentially on SPY. Get your rip and run long side action here, guys. So that's what we're waiting on above the 9-day EMA. I think I love it. I love this play so far, traders. I love it. I want to see it continue to break out topside, rip and run. I know that if we get this green, like we're getting on NQ overall, like we're getting on SPY, we can start to take off to the top side. So traders, we are waiting and watching. I love it. I gotta turn some house music on here, get the vibes going, get the blood flowing, baby. So I want to see that green come in. Want to see it spike up to 80 here, traders.
Order filled.
So in another 2 more for another breakout rip and run up to those highs, guys. As I think we're for sure going to get here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen. Let this thing rip, run, take off on you above these highs, guys. I'm telling you. Let this thing rip, run, take off. Get your little fingies ready. for a takeoff above. I know, YB, why do you DCA? Because I see a breakout takeoff above these highs up to 80, guys. I for sure see it. If it holds these highs, you guys are good to go. Again, yes, I'm 100% sure of this. It's a little bit of a DCA, a little bit of a degen play in a way. But then again, traders, we know this thing has a takeoff area up to 90 at least. We're above that 9-day EMA. If that thing holds out here, you guys are good to go. Let that thing continue to collect. Let that thing continue to hold. Let that thing continue to rip, run, take off on you. Green, green, green on the time and sales is exactly what you're looking for. So if you see green, green, green on this time and sales, start to take off above 80, you guys get your long entry. You guys are good to go. All we're looking at, all we're waiting on, guys, one breakout, one takeoff, one long candle to come in. One green candle. Red to green on that candle is beautiful if we get red to green here, boys. Right there it is, traders. Right up to it. Come on, baby. Hit us with it. Hit us with that green. Stop playing, baby. Come on. Hit us with those buyers swinging in, taking this market over, pushing this thing up above 80, then above 90, traders. That's what we're looking at here. I know we got it. I know we can get it. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful play. Waiting and watching, man. Starting to get up here. Want to see a break here on SPY. Break above 54. Starting to get up there. Love it, love it, love it. NQ overall even getting a push above. It's 9-day, though. NQ overall even getting a push above. NQ overall goes red to green. I know we got it. Starting to form red to green. Needs to get above, what is that, 489? Basically, 520. Gets above 520, guys. You guys are good to go. I don't even need to look at SPY. I can solely look at NQ overall. Gets above the price of 5, basically 5. You guys are good to go. So I want to see 905 come in on that. 905, want to see get above that price, then up to that view up. Yeah, that's 910. But we want to see this thing get above 905 to start, guys. So waiting and watching. Don't even need to look at NQ for this breakout rip and run to happen. I know it's coming if NQ overall spikes up here. So feeling great, feeling good to go. Want to see that thing take off with NQ overall taking off, man. I know if NQ overall gets above, now getting above 904. Want to see it hold up, get above 905. You guys are good to go. You'll get it above 904 here. Starting to spike, starting to get up to 905, traders. 904.50 come in. Ladies and gentlemen, 904.50. Now 905 start to come in, traders. And then above 905, sorry, I'm waving my hand in your face. Above 905 for those more longs are coming up the view up, 50-day, 200-day. Yeah, buddy. That's what we're looking at here, traders. Loving it. Got above that 905 point. Want to see it hold above that 905 point. Got above it. Came up to 905.30 levels. Seems to be 905.50s. You're going to get your takeoff and your breakout on all of these points here, traders. Getting up to a 904.50. 904.95. Hit me with it. Above 905, traders. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see it hold above now. 905 coming up into play. Ladies and gentlemen, your breakout rip and run is upon us. Has to hold above here, man. Right up to the 80 levels. Look at S&P 500 getting up there, traders. I love it. NQ overall. Get back up there. Get back up there. Give us some more of that long factor. All right, guys, I'm gonna lock it out. It's really struggling in this area, which kind of gives me that a little bit of a sense of I can either shorten my position size now and or wait just for my pullback. So was able to obviously lock out 370 on that or whatever it was, 320, right? Not a bad position at all, but the way it's stalling out here at 80 makes me not as confident on it, right? So yeah, buddy. Hey, what's up, guys? Any promo codes? Yeah, I got you guys. I'll type it in here. It's a little bit above. So we got FGONK VUV. This is gonna be for Apex. They still have yet to reach back to me, guys. So this is for Apex funding. You guys get 80% off and 1 day to pass. Guys, I very much recommend for the next 2 days trading an eval. 80% off and 1 day to pass. Why, YB? Why do I recommend trading an eval account rather than trading your funded if you guys have a funded? Because it might be a little bit slower, right? Like this might bounce back and then we chop all day, and this was the only move of the day, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, I for sure recommend grabbing yourself a basically an eval. Being able to trade with that is a beautiful thing that you can do. So, yeah, buddy. Did you hit that pre-market low bounce? Yeah, so, I mean, essentially, right around here is where I was getting filled. Yeah, right around this area is not a bad area. I was looking for either a little bit lower here, or I was essentially looking for a bounce to this view up, near 90. Neither kind of happened. You know, we never hit down here, so I was able to actually get an entry here, ride this up, as you see here, and I just took my profit. I just took my profit there. So got long there, got stopped out down here on the eval. Was not, you know, was kind of cray-cray. But, guys, you just need to wait for your EMA strategy to come into play. What about my eval? I only took the one trade on, then you're good to go, bro. As long as it's not a funded, because evals right now, if you use the code FGONKVUV, if you use that code, man, it only costs you 40 bucks. If you get a funded, though, it does cost you 160 to activate it. So, you know, you guys get what I'm saying. It's kind of like, you know, you're spending way less on an eval than you would be on a funded. And there's a lot more risk today than there is on normal days. So, guys, I love another bounce here, traders. I really do. I'm thinking about another entry down near these lows. Getting back above 70, I might get another entry, traders. Back above 70, guys. I might get another entry. You said one. Yup. Yes, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are able to secure yourselves a eval account, you guys have 1 day to pass. What does that mean? That means if you guys pass your guys' evals today, let's say you make a bang and trade, you make $3,000, gonna get in here. Let's say you make a bang and trade, you guys make $3,000 on that said trade. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys just passed. You guys passed now. You guys are now on funded the next day. So you guys will literally have a funded account tomorrow. Let's say tomorrow you guys have an amazing day or something. You make 500, 600 bucks. Let's say the day after that, CPI data comes. You guys bank 1,500 or something like that. By the 21st, because they do payouts the 21st through the 25th, and then the 1st through the 5th, I'm pretty sure. So that's the payout rate. Yeah, then ladies and gentlemen, you guys will be able to bank on the payouts. So yeah, you guys will literally be able to hold until the payouts and then be good to go. So that's why it is worth it, traders. I recommend 100%. And you guys don't, and also if you guys don't get paid out that same day, it doesn't matter. It's not like you lose the account. You guys still have a funded account. So traders, I love this play right now, man. Coming up here, starting to get your spike, rip and run. Here it is, guys. I'm waiting to come up to 90, above 90, get above that 400. Let's see 5, 6, 700 here on the P&L. Love it here. Waiting for the view ops to touch across the board here. Absolute and utter beauty. Waiting for our view ops to come into play. Seeing what they're going to do there. We'll put a trailing stop loss in then, guys. Love it. Right there's 5, 6, 7's what I'm looking at here, guys. Absolute and utter beauty. Now 500 on this. Want to see it continue to push, continue to spike, continue to run on us, guys. Love this play, man. Continue to push up here. Continue to spike, run. 6. Looking for 7 to come into play. Above this view up area, we for sure got that. We're in it here. We're in it here. Want to see it hold up here. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 guys.
Order filled.
So sold 1, holding 1 now, guys, for another push, rip, run. Gonna see what we got. I honestly want to see it get above here, up into the 300 areas. I think that'd be great. But if S&P is not holding, I will not hold myself. But NQ overall, still coming up, still touching. Yeah, I for sure see some sort of green coming in now, guys. Yeah. If we hold up in this area, we could go red to green. 1 mini could ride this thing out to the long side. Red to green on the day. Hold this bad boy out. Let this thing take off. Basically, right here's our dip to our pump on the day now. For sure could see all that coming in. Let's go. Yeah, buddy. Yo, that's what I'm saying, baby. So hopefully you guys caught this play and are catching this with me, man. I know my long entries were coming in. I was early. Guys, all I was early here. If you guys noticed something, I've been playing longs all day. Why, YB? I know the longs are coming in eventually. Even if it's on a retracement, I know the longs are coming in, guys. Right, so I would love to see him get above this view up area right here. Above this view up to the 200-day, around 300 would be the ultimate spot. Obviously, amazing, amazing trade coming in. You guys are able to capitalize off it if you guys are still in. You guys obviously can put your take profit. One thing I always say, your take profit is your take profit. Wherever you want to set your take profit is fine. Your stop loss needs to be set, though. Your stop loss needs to be set. That is 100% a fact. Before you get into a trade, you should think of a stop loss area, and then you should implement that stop loss area. Okay, guys? Bouncing off that 9-day there on S&P 500. Coming back up here. Beautiful play. Looking for it to go red to green here. Get up to 290. Beautiful red to green. Get up to 290. Above that area. Above view up. 9-day. You're going to get your takeoff up to the 200. So, do I not pass at Evo, though? I'm up 2K. No. So, you pass it. You have to. So, okay. I'll explain this. If you guys grab a $50,000 evaluation account on Apex, you have to make $3,000 and you at no given point can you be down $2,500 from the peak of your account. Let's say your account hits $5,500, but you don't close the position, guys. What happens then? What happens is if your account goes down $2,500 from that $5,500, what happens then is then you will then lose the account. That is a fact, but that's when you just are quick with it. You click that little X button. Now you're up $5,500, you pass the account. That's it. Traders, you're good to go. Beautiful play, beautiful trade. You guys are good. So you have to lock that play up. You have to lock it up. And if you guys do not, they are stingy with it, man. That is how how do you think these guys make money? Obviously, they make money off us as well. So, yeah, buddy, traders. Like I said, I hope you guys are all having a great day. Joe Fi in the building. Chewy, LJ, Charting Queen, all you fine traders over here, man. I love all of you guys, man. It's amazing, man. Oh, it sounded like you had to say you had to pass it. No. Yeah, no. Sorry for any confusion, traders. You do not have to pass it in one day. Dude, you guys can take 10 years to pass it. I'm not even lying. As long as you guys are paying the monthly fee on the eval, you guys can take as long as you want. It's like $60 a month, too. So it's like you guys don't need to pass it in a certain amount of time. You guys can make $100 a day for the next 30 days, the next 30 trading days. You guys might have to renew it one time, so put in an extra $60, but you'll pass it. As long as you guys are making $100 a day, you guys are good to go. All right? It's not like you guys need to make $1 million a day. Like, I promise you, you guys are good to go. Yeah. Right up to the view up. This is what we were saying, guys. I love that green. Above this area now for a spike up to the 300s. Getting above that area for a spike up to our 300s now. Absolutely in love with it, man. Starting to get your push here. You can see even further ripping and running, guys. Beautiful. So we're going to go from red to green on this day is the game plan here. All for the longs we were looking for the entire time. Holding out one mini contract here for a push up to 300. Beautiful. All right. Hey. All right. Hey. So traders, hopefully that all kind of makes sense. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away about evals, about fundeds, about anything like that, etc., etc. And I will for sure go over it with you guys. I have no problem with that.
Slave to the rhythm, moves to the sound. Oh, we yo, cause I make the beats for the underground. 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 Cause I make the beats for the
Getting potential spam phone call there. So traders, ladies and gentlemen, man, feel free to ask me away. Any questions? There we go. Okay, guys, I didn't even realize my clock is not set up, guys. Let me set my clock up for you guys. I did not notice that. My bad, traders. Ladies and gentlemen, still coming up here, still coming into play. Like I said, I'm looking for a spike. It did get up to 300. View up area here, 300. Let's check out SPY as well. SPY with a little bit of a lower shadow forming. Gets above this point here. Can spike up the view up 135%, traders. Have your trailing stop loss into play. I'm going to set mine in a while we're sitting here, guys, while I adjust this clock as well. So not the most disciplined trading, I will say. I'm not ashamed or bad or sad with my trading today at all. Nothing like that at all, traders. I definitely like it. I knew we had the right momentum down, and also I knew we had the wiggle room as well. So I'll say it was disciplined to a point. We did take our profit where we needed to take profit as well. Stuff like that. So, you know, putting our trailing stop loss into play. Why? Underneath that 9-day EMA, you guys are good to go. This thing can spike right back up here. Start to come up. Start to touch these highs again up near 300, and you guys will be good. Absolutely chilling. Exactly. So right up to 300 above the view up area. Exactly up to 300. Get your long entry. Good to go. Hold that play.
Stop.
All right, guys. That's it. Only down 374 on it. So we're up like 700 off fit today, guys. What do I expect now, guys? I expect we got up near in the 200. We got in the view op area. We hit our view op area here. We just came up here. If you start to crack this trend, I think more shorts are coming in. And you want to know what I'll say? You want to know the main thing I will say on today? I love this price action, guys. I love this little bit of price action. Why? Because we actually have been having momentum. We actually have been having, guys, we just pushed down here. Now we're spiking back up. I think we will start to chop around if we do not continue to move. like once we stall out, I think we're gonna stall out all day, and then that'll be it, guys. We'll be in a range. You guys can play the range if you want, or just walk away. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm completely with you guys on that, 135%. Yeah, so that's really it for myself. That's what I believe in, 135%. Consolidation on ES, yeah, buddy. Yup. We're either gonna get a breakout here and a takeoff above our 200, above our view op areas, etc., and or those lows, guys. As we see here on NQ overall and NQ, if you guys want to take a look here, traders, NQ overall is starting to get a little bit of a U shape, but look at that. We had our lower shadow. We just got stopped out on it on NQ, ES, and S&P here, but look at that, coming right back up. We had the momentum down. I say if we're able to do this, we're able to push high a day, and we're able to get long, ride that son of a gun up. I don't know if the EMAs will come into play. We really have to wait and see on SPY, but no, I'm with you guys 100%. I'm with you guys, man. So just chill out, wait, watch. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Like I said, just chilling out, having fun, having a blast. Okay, maybe the short's coming right back into play. Underneath trend now. Touch your view up, touch your 200, guys.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a small crack at it with a tighter stop. YB, how come? 200 day, 50 view up right there, traders. Not looking to hold it out or anything like that crazy. Want to see S&P hold underneath, essentially. And then I know we'll be able to, actually capitalize and get this trade. Maybe it was a little bit of an early entry, but at the same time, could for sure shoot all the way back down to the 60s and be good to go. Y, view up, 50, 200, all in that mix. 9-day EMA just cracked. S&P 500 has a point right there. Maybe you can get a DCA on this, but I'm not trying to implement and force myself to do bad trading habits, obviously, because then I'll reflect on the fundeds. So we'll just go after this, guys. Planning on going to hit the gym. A little gym ski action. Get up and in there. All right, we're making a little bit of a U shape. We're looking for a little bit of a... What are we looking for here, traders? I say we get some rejection up here, but my entry's a little bit low on that, guys. I'm not going to lie. My entry's a little bit low. Looking to see if we're going to get any red here coming in underneath this trend line right here, guys. Beautiful trend line to come in, guys. Could for sure get a short entry all the way down to it. My entry is a little bit wonky on that, guys. Not going to lie. My entry is a little bit wonky on that. But for sure can get ourselves right back green on this trade with the dump and be good to go. Especially if S&P. Let me see it, buddy. Let me see it, buddy. So guys, chasing dreams, making it happen, baby. Yup. So there's your shorts coming in, guys. There's your shorts coming in. You guys can do what you want. I'm thinking about getting another entry in here with another short entry in here, guys. Starting to hold those lows up beautifully, guys. Holding underneath that 9-day EMA makes me feel confident. If we can start to hold underneath that 9 on NQ, S&P, all these points, we will get a short entry. We'll wait for NQ overall to start to crack, but there we go, guys. Yup. Break that trend line to the downside. You guys are good to go. More shorts incoming. I love that we're cracking here on SPY. We hold these lows now. More red coming in. You guys are good. We just cracked down to it again. Want to see it hold. NQ overall holding these lows. Just waiting and watching. I love trading with, yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, man. Thank you, bro. Your live stream keeps cutting off. Does it? Okay. That might be a little bit of a... Yeah, is it lagging for you guys right now? Let me know if it's lagging for you guys right now, and I will... let me try and get this fixed and figured out. Still holding this play out. We're underneath the trend. I do expect a short to come in, guys. Let me see what I got. Let me know if it's lagging for you guys, and I'll try and get something set up really quick. Has it been laggy all morning? I didn't know that. Okay, sorry about that, guys. On Tradecaster and YouTube. Okay. Okay. Yup. All right, let's see a couple things here then. Yeah, you guys can for sure. I'm just gonna hold one because I want to see it dump here all the way back down to the lows there. Obviously, can lock up a pretty good gain on that one. But we're waiting and watching. Okay, guys, hold on. Let's try and figure this out really quick on Tradecaster for you guys, youtube.com. Yeah, frames are dropping. Okay. Am I connected Ethernet? Do I have an Ethernet cord connected? Yes, I do, but that's not the right one. Your shorts coming in right now, traders. Right there's your shorts starting to come in. Nah, just in case that is long. I do want to see it crack, but okay. Alright, guys. Sorry about that, traders. Yup. Keep saying I dropped. I got a bunch of, what is it? A bunch of frames dropping right now. So nice little consolidation coming in, guys. I want to see a Dumparooski come in off of this area. We have yet to even hit those highs. So, yeah, look at that. Red starting to come in across the board. Yup. So sorry about the lag here, guys. Sorry about the lag, guys. I'm going to restart the stream. Give me 1 second, traders. I'm going to restart the stream for you guys so that hopefully I can figure